Hi guys, this is Unit 3, Lesson 15. So we're going to take a look at some stacks of foam blocks. So which stack is taller? Two 1/3 foot blocks and one 1/6 foot block, or 1/2 foot block and two 1/6 foot blocks. Explain or show your reasoning. Okay, so if I look at the first part, I understand that we have two 1/3 blocks and one 1/6. So I'm going to add those up. Well, I know 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. Because they have the same denominator, I'm just adding thirds. But then I have to add this 1/6. Now I have two different denominators. So I'm going to, in this open space up here, rewrite that vertically and probably erase some of this so we have room. Okay, so I'm looking at the 3 and the 6 and I'm thinking, okay, what denominator should I change and what do they have in common? Well, hopefully you guys noticed that 3 goes into 6. So I only need to change 2/3. So I'm going to make an equivalent fraction. So I'm going to think 3 times what number is 6? 3 times 2 is 6. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. Oh, then I can just say 4/6 plus 1/6, and that's of course 5/6. Okay, I'm going to erase my work, but you should have left your work, okay? So I know the first one is 5/6, so let's write that down. Okay, so that first stack of foam blocks, 5/6. Now the second one, let's see what that one's saying. 1/2 foot block, okay, and two 1/6 foot blocks. Oh, I can add 1/6 plus 1/6. They have the same denominator, so I know that's 2/6. So essentially I'm doing 1/2 plus 2/6. Couple different ways of doing it. You could rewrite it vertically and find a common denominator, make equivalent fractions. You also might have it memorized. 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. You might just know that one by now, but let's say you don't. So I'm looking at my denominators. I have a 2 and I have a 6. And the first thing I notice, 2 goes into 6 evenly. So I'm only going to change 1/2 to have a denominator of 6. And I'm going to think, okay, 2 times what number gives me 6? 2 times 3. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 1 times 3 is, of course, 3. So 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. Now I just add 3/6 plus 2/6, and I get 5/6. Okay, I'm going to erase my work, but you should not have erased your work, right? Okay, so I know this second bullet here also equals 5/6. So I'm not done. Now I need to actually answer the question. Which is taller? Well, neither. They are equivalent. They're the same amount. All right. I don't know why my eye went all weird like that, but there you go. Okay, guys, that was our cool down.